When I say enriched dough, many people think I'm referring to enriched flour from the store. You know, the kind that's been stripped of all the nutrients and then they put back in some synthetic versions, making you think that they're doing you a favor. They're not. And that's not what I'm referring to. In bread making, every recipe stems from a lean or an enriched dough. Lean dough being flour, water, yeast, and salt. Enriched dough having added fat, eggs, and sugar. The enriched dough is what everyone refers to as super soft or honey wheat bread, and it makes a brioche, challah bread, along with soft rolls and cinnamon buns that everyone loves, myself included. I really think that we ought to go back to some of the wisdom of history. Historically, the lean breads were known as daily breads, while the enriched dough was saved for special occasions or for the wealthy. Let's get back to making more of the lean bread dough on the daily and save those enriched dough for special occasions. Give your pancreas a break. It'll thank you in more ways than one.